Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable the maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so the first step will be going to settings, and here scroll down almost to the bottom until you see the device care. So just press on it, and if you go down a little bit you will find the maintenance mode. And you can turn it on right here, and you can also perform a backup. I would recommend turning this mode on just as the creators intended when you give your phone to get repaired, and your private photos, for example, messages, stuff like that, will be locked from access, so your private information will be safe. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.